Hello everyone, today I will share a custom-made tool for Revit and MWF. First of all, you will need MWF to use this tool. If you don't have it, you can go to structuresolutions.com and request a free trial. Briefly, MWF is an add-on for Revit. You can model, you can create wall panels, floor panels or roof trusses. And also you can create shop drawings and you can create CNC production data for these panels. So if you don't have it, just go and ask for a trial and try it for yourself. So what is this new tool and how is it working? So if you select any panel member and if you run this tool, it is going to select all the members of the panel. Again, if you select any panel member, run the tool, it will select all the members of the panel. It is working for walls and it's working for floors and it's working for trusses also. Again, if you select any floor member, run the tool, it's going to select all the members for these floors. So the aim for this tool is to select just one panel. Imagine like that you have a big project, you have a big floor plan, and on this floor plan you just want to see one panel with all members. Then you will use this tool. It means that if you select many panels and if you run this tool, it's just going to work for just one panel. So in MWF we have a BIMSF container parameter. Briefly, it defines the panel name. So this tool exactly looking for this parameter. In case if you select another Revit element and on this element if you don't have this parameter or if it's empty and if you run this tool, it's not going to throw any error. Simply it will ignore. So it means that if you select any member and if you run this tool, if it does nothing, it means that you don't have a panel or you don't have a panel member. So how I created this tool? First of all, I've used Python programming language. The second, I've used RevitPythonShell. And third, I've used pyRevit. I will share a link with you, and if you follow this link, you will reach a README page from my repository on GitHub. And on the resources section, you will see the links for these tools. So how you can get this one? How you can get this tool for yourself? Again, I will share another link with you and it will direct you to this part of my repository. On this one you will have two files. One of them is again a README file, briefly explains how this tool works, and the other one is the actual Python file. If you open this one, if you download this one, you will see that the code for this tool is here. So let me copy this one because I will show you how you can use on your machine. You have two options. One of them is install Python RevitPythonShell and select any panel member and open the Python shell, paste the code and run it. It is going to work smoothly. But I don't recommend this one for you because this tool, this RevitPythonShell is an excellent tool, but I'm using this one to test my codes. On the practical use, if you use pyRevit, it will be better for you. On pyRevit, again, if you follow the link and if you do some research on pyRevit, you will see that you can create a tab and you can create a button on your ribbon. So you can place your code under this button and then you can use this one directly from your ribbon. I hope this tool will help you, and if you have any question on this tool, Please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.